Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage flour. First, choose fresh, firm cabbage heads, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Thoroughly wash the cabbage under cool, running water, then carefully remove any damaged or discolored outer leaves. Next, chop the clean cabbage into small, uniform pieces. Aim for consistent sizing, about 1-inch squares, to promote even drying, which is crucial for quality flour. Once your cabbage is prepped, it's time to dry it. Spread the chopped pieces in a single layer on dehydrator trays, ensuring good air circulation. Dehydrate at 125 degrees Fahrenheit or 52 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 hours until the pieces are completely crisp and brittle. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use an oven set to its lowest temperature, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit or 77 degrees Celsius, for 2 to 3 hours, checking frequently. After drying, let the cabbage cool completely to room temperature. This prevents moisture from condensing and clumping the flour. Now, transfer the brittle cabbage pieces to a high-speed blender or a dedicated coffee grinder. Process them in small batches, pulsing until you achieve a fine, consistent flour. Sift the flour if desired to remove any larger pieces, then regrind those for a smoother texture. Proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness of your homemade cabbage flour. Transfer the finished flour to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dark pantry. It will stay fresh for up to 6 months, ready for your culinary adventures. Use it to thicken soups, add nutrients to smoothies, or even as a gluten-free alternative in baking. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.